Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of in-ear headphones, also known as IEMs, in-ear monitors. In-ears are perfect for those who want a discreet and lightweight option compared to bulky over-ear headphones. They're ideal for people on the go, working out, or anyone who loves a snug fit and potentially cleaner sound. Finding the right in-ears can be tricky. Runners might prioritize secure-fitting ear hooks, while audiophiles might crave premium sound quality, wired or wireless. We've sorted through tons of in-ears, and let me tell you, not all are winners. Some might look good on paper but lack comfort, build quality, or simply good sound. To help you avoid dud purchases, we've created a guide featuring the best in-ear headphones you can buy. Before diving in, consider your budget. Don't spend a fortune on headphones that will rarely be used. Think about where you'll be using them. Will you be plugging them into your phone or a high-res music player? Wired offers the best value for sound quality, but wireless provides ultimate convenience. In-ears should be comfortable, so make sure they come with different-sized ear tips for a perfect fit. Active noise cancellation, ANC, is a great feature to block out external noise, and it's becoming increasingly common even in affordable models. This list includes budget-friendly wired options, premium models, noise-canceling headphones, and Bluetooth headphones. We've tested them all, so you can be confident they're all fantastic choices. Stick around for the rest of the video where we'll reveal our top picks in each category, along with in-depth reviews to help you find the perfect pair of in-ear headphones for you. Shure Aonic 3. Great for those who want top-notch sound in a small size. They're simple, but expertly made in-ear headphones. They have few serious rivals because of their superb musical reproduction. They have a classic IEM design with inline controls and a choice of 9 ear tips for comfort and isolation. They have a built-in mic for answering calls easily. Their audio quality is top-notch, handling dynamics and detail with great rhythm and energy. These are highly recommended. Sony WF-1000XM5. Top choice for on-the-go music lovers. They're smaller and come with a more pocket-friendly case compared to previous models. They're comfortable for long wear, suitable for everyday use. Each bud has a bigger 8.4 mm dynamic driver X for clear, detailed sound and excellent timing. Their noise canceling is superb, rivaling Bose's QuietComfort Ultra earbuds. They come with features like adaptive sound control, speak to chat, and support for high-res and 360 reality audio. They're considered the new king of premium wireless earbuds. SoundMagic E11C. They have quickly become known for award-winning headphones. Their E11C model offers quality despite being budget-friendly. With 10mm dynamic drivers, the E11C provides a snug fit and energetic, well-balanced sound. They have clear and crisp mid-range with decent depth in the lower end. High sensitivity, 112 dB, means they can deliver plenty of volume, great for smartphones and audio players with a 3.5 mm socket. They feature a simple remote and mic on the cable for easy control, compatible with Apple and Android smartphones. If you're looking for quality but don't want to splurge on the Shure Aonic 3, the E11C is a great, more affordable option. Sony WF-C700. These are leading affordable wireless earbuds. They offer quality without the high price tag, especially with discounts available. They deliver well-balanced sound with detailed mid-range and ample bass. They lack ANC, but have features like 10-hour battery life, with 20 more from the case, and compatibility with the Headphones Connect app. They can upscale audio to near high-res quality using Sony's DSE technology. Shure Aonic 5. They have a unique transparent design and exceptional sound quality. They use 3 high-definition balanced drivers for sensational audio. Their presentation is detailed and clear, with rich and natural vocals. They expose any flaws in recordings due to their transparent sound. Shure provides various tips for finding the right fit and includes extra nozzles for sound balance adjustment. Default nozzles offer the most balanced sound, though other options are available. They perform best with a decent DAC headphone amp. Consider Shure Aonic 3 if you don't have a dedicated DAC headphone amp. Sony WF-C700N. Budget noise-canceling earbuds. They offer ANC without the high price of premium models. They're comfortable and lightweight. Battery life is competitive at 7.5 hours, with one extra charge from the case. They lack aptX HD and LDAC key, but feature noise canceling and adaptive sound control. Sony's DSE upscales low-res audio files for better quality. They deliver balanced and refined audio with deep bass, expressive mids, and engaging highs. Multi-point Bluetooth lets you switch between devices seamlessly. While lacking some features, they offer great comfort, sound quality, and features at a reasonable price. Sennheiser IE 900. They cater to purists seeking top-notch audio quality. The package includes 6 ear tip options and 3 cables with different connectors. They lack an inline remote, but excel in sound quality. Priced around £1,000, they're a step up from Shure Aonic 5. They feature a single driver designed for rigidity and minimal vibrations, resulting in exceptional clarity and openness. They excel at uncovering layers of low-level information and organizing tracks cohesively. Pair them with high-quality files and a good DAC for the best experience. Recommended for serious audiophiles seeking sensational sound. Bose QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds. The top contenders in premium wireless earbuds. Stand out for their sleek design and perceived value. They excel in ANC, active noise cancellation, and sound quality. Custom tune calibration adjusts sound based on environmental noise. They offer a rich, full sound with improved detail and dynamism. Bose Immersive Audio offers spatial audio experience, though results may vary. Call quality has improved, but they lack Bluetooth multipoint. Apple AirPods Pro 2. They mark a significant improvement over previous models. They offer a good fit and on-ear controls, with a competitive 30-hour battery life. New features include Apple Adaptive Audio, tailored for iOS devices. The noise canceling is effective, with adaptive audio dynamically adjusting ANC levels. Sound quality sees a big jump, with weight, detail, and dynamic subtlety. While not quite matching top competitors, they come close. Overall, a superb choice for Apple fans seeking high-quality in-ear headphones. Alright guys, this is it for this video. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more such videos.